Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we're going to be doing a mini vintage haul. Now all of these items are actually from an online store called Petite. Now the beautiful thing about sustainable fashion is that you don't need to have thrift shops or charity shops right on your doorstep. There's a whole nother world online where you can shop like that. So you've got all the second-hand markets, and then you've got like smaller kind of individual companies, which is what Petite is. So they very kindly sent me 4 items to show you guys today, 2 of which are their own brand that are partly made from recycled materials, and so it's a really nice way to kind of support a smaller business but also still in the sustainable fashion world. So I'm just going to hop straight to it because I am due to get to the airport today, so the package kind of arrived and it's just too lovely not to show you guys, so let's get to it. So before I get into it, everything will be linked down below along with a discount code for you guys if you would like to check anything out. So they have obviously some of their own brand items, but also they only stock A grade kind of vintage and branded things, so if you like that sort of thing, do check it out because obviously they've got a range of one-of-a-kind items or reworked items, so it's a really awesome shop to take a look at. So the first things I'm going to show you are a lovely pair of jeans. So these are kind of the mum jean style, and they're just these like almost like marbly kind of effect denim, and they have the logo on the pocket there, which is really cute. So I got these in a size 8, and according to their size guide, touch wood, that's going to fit because it's always tricky when there's absolutely no stretch in them, but they look pretty good, and the length is really nice as well. So they're more of like a tapered straight leg kind of fit. So I'll put those on for you in a second. And then I also got their jumper, so it's just in this gorgeous kind of cream colour, but it also comes in other colours as well, and it is so soft. So I think this is going to be lovely. So I'm just going to throw this look on and we can see what it fits like. So this is how they fit, and the jumper is lovely. It's a little bit oversized, so I am wearing the extra small for reference. But it's very sweet and so easy to wear. It has got long arms, but again, you can kind of style them how you want. So I'd probably fold them over a little bit like this, but it's so wearable and just such a cozy fit. Like, I really love it. And then the jeans I'm so impressed with. So for my kind of shape, mum jeans are a bit of a nightmare, but these aren't bad at all. Like, they actually fit my hips and butt really, really nice. And then the waist is a little bit big, but kind of like the perfect amount with mum jeans, because I feel like you don't want them to be super tight, otherwise you literally can't move. But they're so cute, and then the length of them is pretty much bang on. I can actually like move in these. Like, how cute are these? And I quite like the little pocket thing, because I think, I don't know, it does draw someone's attention to it, but in the perfect way. So no, I really like these. So I will put all my measurements down below as well. So for reference, I'm 5'5", and the length of these is pretty much bang on. So I'm trying to show you the length of them so you can see there. So yeah, no, they're really, really lovely. The next thing I got is a vintage jumper. Now, I fell in love with the embroidery on this one. It's got embroidered Whistler. So it's got like a skier and 2 snowboarders on it, and I just really love the design of it. And it's just like a kind of a little zipped just jumper really, and it's a little bit oversized, but I think with leggings or jeans it's going to be super cute. So I just fell in love with that, and their prices, I really recommend checking the store out. It's really reasonable, and you can get some really quirky items. So if you're not a fan of going like in person to thrift stores or charity shops, this is a lovely way to support a smaller business but still kind of get exposure to that fun side of, you know, second-hand or vintage shopping. So I really, really recommend them. So this is the jumper on, and I think it's such a cute fit. It's actually almost like the perfect length for me. So it is oversized, but I think it's a really nice fit. I love it. And I have actually been skiing in Whistler when I was younger, so I feel like this is the perfect addition. I just think it's so cute, and I love the colours of it. And it's in really good nick as well, and I think that's what's lovely about this vintage shop, is she tends to stock only like really good condition vintage, and so it means that, you know, you can kind of trust it. You're not going to get caught out in the second-hand market. And this is gorgeous. I mean, I love the arms on it. Like, how cool is that? Love it. And last but not least, we have a bit of a jazzy item. So it's this really cool waistcoat almost top. So it's got this lovely like glitzy fabric, a bit of an eccentric collar, but I think I can work it. And then it has like a waist belt as well. So I think this with like blue jeans in the summer is going to be a really cute look. It's just quite unusual actually. I just fell in love with it. Like, how cool is that? So I'm really excited to see how this one fits, because it's just so fun. So this is how this one fits, and I love the fabric. I think I can work it. I'm just trying to work out how to have the belt. So this is it round the front. It almost doesn't need the belt, so I think it's a really nice fit on me, like just as a waistcoat. But I could like tie it around the back, or just, I think I might just take it off because I feel like it's quite a fitted style anyway. I just think maybe the belt adds a little bit too much busyness to it, but maybe it works. Oh, I kind of like it now. I don't know. Let me know what you think, but I think the fabric of it is just amazing. Like, imagine it with like green jeans or red or orange jeans. I love it with the blue as well. It's a really fun piece. No, I really like this one. So that's all I got for you guys today. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. The jeans and the cream jumper you guys can actually get, but the other items are of course vintage, but you can check out the other items on Fierce Petite because that's the beauty of an online vintage store. There's constantly an influx of various items and reworked items, so it's a really lovely way to kind of experience that thrift shopping or sustainable side of fashion, but from the comfort of your own home if you would like. So I really recommend checking them out, and there's a discount code down below if you'd like to use that. But apart from that, I do have another channel which is all about geology if you'd like to take a look on the rock side of my life. But yeah, look after yourselves, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.